So when you're working with Photopea, it is important to understand regarding how layers work. So for example, I'm going to go around and take this particular shape right here. Let me choose green color right here and draw out a layer right here. You can see that the layer is over here on the right hand side. The background is one layer and shape is another layer right here. Let me just go around over here onto another color right here. Let me just go around and create another layer right here instead of working on the same. So right now I'm working on the same shape layer, but I'm going to create a new layer right here and then draw another layer. Let me just go around and change the color of this particular shape. Let me just go around and do the same with another layer right here, and then I'm going to go around, choose the color of this layer right here. So right now you can see that in the order that I made right here, the green layer is over here at the backmost area, the red after that right here, and then I got the blue. It is according to the layer order that I see right here. So what I can actually do is, let's say for example there's a layer 2, I can click and drag it out below shape 1 right here, and you can see that now immediately blue goes to the back. So the blue is the backmost layer over here in the layer panel. Now you can see that it is the same around for the main area as well. Similarly, I can go around over here and work around with the layers right here. I can send it to back right here just like this and so forth. So that is up and down and so forth right here. If I were to go around and send the layer back from the background, then what happens is that it is simply not there. That is because the background is actually hiding it out right here. So I need to go around and bring it up in order to see it again right here. So I can go around onto layer right here just like this. So I have a new layer, and let's say for example I'm going to take a brush right here just like this and draw around. It gets drawn on this particular layer. I can go around and draw around, and it's drawn in this particular layer. I can go around and utilize the move tool to move this out right here. But I can also go around and go for new layer and then start drawing. So let's just go around onto brush right here just like this, and I'm going to go around and choose a color. Let's say for example I'm going to go for red right here, and I can draw around. So once I draw around right here, this particular layer is different again. So I can bring it up or down right here. So even if I were to go around and choose another color right here and draw around on the same layer, let's say for example layer 4, then layer 4 is the separate layer. So I'm using the same layer as you can see right here, just like this. So if you want to stack up and move, then it is good to consider using different layers. So that is how you can utilize layers inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.